Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 3500 headlight. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a few basic tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Before you start, always make sure your truck is completely turned off and the parking brake is set. Then, simply open the hood to access the headlight assembly you'll be working on. This ensures a safe and smooth process. Now let's get to those fasteners. You'll find two 10mm bolts holding the top of the headlight assembly in place. Go ahead and remove those first. Next, gently pull back the fender liner in the wheel well. This will reveal a third, often hidden, 10mm bolt. Make sure to remove this one as well, as it's crucial for releasing the headlight. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the liner. With all the bolts removed, you can now gently pull the headlight assembly forward a bit. This creates enough space to access the electrical connector at the back. Locate the release tab on the connector, press it, and carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Once disconnected, you can then guide the entire headlight assembly out of its housing. It might require a slight wiggle, but it should come out smoothly. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Align the headlight assembly carefully and push it firmly back into its housing until it seats correctly. Reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, reinstall all three 10mm bolts, tightening them securely but without over-torquing. Don't forget to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth * and other great deals. Finally, test your new headlight to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.